Is it hot?
That was too fucking funny. Dylan's gonna do another,
It's not like a stripper now. Ooh, Gunda. Oh, my eyes. Oh, it's in my eyes.
You have to do a little flip.
Spin! Oh.
Spin!
Oh, shit.
What just happened?
It burns my eyes.
What just
It
happened?
hit the leaf and it like...
Josh lighting off something. Why is this doing that? Yeah, turn it off. What the fuck?
You say that I can't trust you. I don't know